Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, KK Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain the overview of word processing. In this video, you will be going to learn overview of word processor, different standard features included in word processor, full-featured word processor, and different word processor tools. Now, let us begin with the overview of word processing. Word processor is a software or device that allow users to create, edit and print document. It also refers to acts of using a computer to create, edit, save and print document. These programs allow users to create a wide variety of documents including reports, letters, memos, newsletters and brochures. In addition to typing text, the word processor allows you to add content such as pictures, tables, and charts to your document as well as decorative items including borders and clip art. The editing and formatting capabilities of the word processor demonstrates the application's power. You can insert text, edit it, move it, copy it or delete within your document, and the appearance of text can be modified in numerous ways also. Most modern word processor enables you to customize font and formatting. Let us discuss some standard features included in word processor. The word processor vary considerably, but all word processor, whether cloud-based or installed on a system, supports the basic features like it allows you to insert text anywhere in the document. It also allows you to erase character, words, lines or even pages also. It gives the features like to remove a section of text from one place in the document and insert it somewhere else. It also allows to duplicate a section of text. It is also possible by using word processor to define various page size and margins, and the word processor will automatically readjust text so that it fits. It allows you to search for a particular word or phrase. You can also replace one group of character with another. It automatically moves to the next line when you have filled one line with text, and it will readjust text if you change the margin. It allows to take a print. It also provides the different file management options. You can edit two or more documents at the same time. Also, it identifies word that doesn't appear in the standard dictionary. Some of the full-featured word processors includes grammar checking, that it identifies sentence, paragraphs and punctuations that doesn't appear to meet commonly recognized rule of grammar. It also automates the numbering and placement of footnotes and enables you to easily cross-reference other sections of document. It automatically creates bulleted or numbered list including multi-level outlines. It allows you to embed illustrations, graphs, possibly even videos into a document. You can customize headers, footers that the word processor will put at the top and bottom of every page. It allows you to specify different margins within a single document to specify various methods for indenting paragraph. It enables users to apply or to use the internet features available. It also provides the translation and speech features. Now, if we are comparing word processor with text editor, the word processor are very similar to two other categories of software like text editor and desktop publishing applications. The applications that support only the basic features are called as a text editor. The text editor are used to create simple documents that doesn't require a full-featured word processor. Whereas if we are going to compare word processor with desktop publishing system, desktop publishing systems are generally more advanced and complex than the word processor. Now we're going to discuss different types of word processor tools available. The Microsoft Office Word has become the most popular word processing tools in the world. It is available for Microsoft Windows, Apple, Mac OS and for smartphones and tablets running Apple iOS plus Google's Android operating system. The online version is also available as a part of Microsoft Office 365, which enables user to collaborate remotely documents and then to store them on Microsoft Cloud servers. One of the biggest rivals to Microsoft Word is Google Documents, which is an online word processing program developed by Google. It was one of the first word processing tools to enable real-time online collaboration. The open source community, which creates softwares that free to use and even to modify, has come up with number of word processors. Others are simply available for free. Probably the most well known are LibreOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer and StarOffice Writer. They are largely compatible with Microsoft Word.